all, I'm Bree the Coupon Queen, and today I had a couple issues. I was a little frustrated. I did two different transactions because I had two different boosters. One was a $2 off of $15 purchase that you see here in the corner. This was on my card. It was a digital one, so I went ahead and clipped it. It appeared on like Saturday, so I went ahead and clipped that to my card. I got an additional $2 off of one of the transactions. The other booster I had was a Catalina that printed last week. It was a 5,000 points when you spend $20 or more. So we'll get into all of that. Not the biggest haul, but trying to focus on things that I can get Ibotta rebates for, or if it'll be free, or things that I need or will drink. So let's dive into the deals. First deal I did for the first transaction was on the Toffee. So I've been doing the Toffee because the Ibottas keep resetting, so I'm just gonna keep doing it, and it wound up being another freebie. So this is just the single. These are $1.39, or if you buy two, it's two for $2.29. I only bought one because I only had one of those coupons left from the 9/8 Smart Source, the $1 off coupon. So I went ahead and applied that. It was 49 cents out of pocket, including tax. I paid the 49 cents. Ibotta gave me back 50 cents. It made it absolutely free. So that's why I want to go ahead and get this one done. I needed two more deals to hit my September level 3 bonus, I think, which is $2 more back. So this was one of them, and then the wine was another one. So the next deal I did is on the Crest. I have plenty of toothpaste, but I did it because I wanted the register reward so that I could use it towards my next deal. It's more free toothpaste, so you buy any two of the Crest. I bought the Crest Intense and then the Crest with Scope. There's a bunch of different varieties, so just double check whichever one you guys like to use. They're on sale, buy two, get a $4 register reward. So they're each $2.99. We had a $1 off coupon from last Sunday, the 9/22 Retail Me Not insert. You're gonna apply those, pay $3.98 out of pocket, and get a $4 register reward. So that's a nice freebie or a 2-cent moneymaker that anyone can do, even if you're new to couponing, so you guys can go in there and get some free toothpaste. The next deal I did is on the Revlon. So 3 of these eyeshadows I did in one transaction, and then 3 I did in the other transaction. So these are the Color Stay again. Revlon is on a deal until January. Spend $15 on any Revlon Color Stay and get a $5 register reward. They're also buy two, get the third one free. So 2 deals kind of going back to back that you can stack on top of each other. So with this deal, for my first transaction, I had that $10 Catalina that had printed from the previous week for $10 off any Revlon or Almay purchase. So I used that. Then I used one of these $4 off Revlon face product coupons. The face product coupons are actually attaching to the eyeshadow, which is weird because there's also a $3 off Revlon, which is for eyes and lips. But the $4 off is attaching, so go ahead and use it. You're going to pay $2.98 out of pocket, got back a $5 register reward, so it was free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Okay, another deal that I was planning on doing, but it wasn't working out, was on the Blue Diamond Fruit and Nut. They are buy one, get one free, and they're $4.99. Now, there is a $1.50 off too from the 8/25 Smart Source. You're gonna pay $3.49. Then Ibotta has a $1.50 back each, but it's literally the exact same photo on Ibotta as it is the product. I scanned it and it said it didn't match. It was the same everything. So not sure what was going on with that, but I didn't buy it or do the deal because I was only gonna do it for Ibotta, and I just didn't feel like submitting a ticket, and what if they don't accept it, you know, whatever. So I just didn't do it, but it should work. It literally was perfect. So always make sure if you're gonna use Ibotta for your deals, just scan the product that you're gonna buy, just make sure it works, because even if it's perfectly identical, sometimes it just doesn't work, so make sure you check. Okay, and the last deal I did is on the Yellowtail wine. So they are on sale, 2 for $9 is how it rang up for me. Yes, 2 for $9, and it has to be the 750 milliliter or larger. I got one was a Chardonnay, and I got a Shiraz. So I know my parents like the Shiraz, so whenever they come into town, this bottle is for them. So here's the deal. 2 for $9. When you buy two, you're gonna get a $5, it says savings reward, so there was a little bit of confusion on that. Some people were getting it and it was a mail-in rebate, but when I got it, it was just like a $5 register reward. It just looked a little different. So, buy two for $9. There's no coupons or anything, but you're gonna get that $5 register reward, so then it makes it $4 for two of them. Then I had $1 off, and it was just a limit of one, so no matter how many you bought, you just got $1 back. So both of these were only $3 or $1.50 each, which is awesome. Awesome, awesome deal. And then this allowed me to hit that September level 2 bonus, or level 3, I don't remember. But it was an additional $2 back, so that was awesome. So these in essence wound up being 50 cents each, which is amazing, amazing. So that was my first transaction. Second transaction, I did the Nexus. The Nexus at CVS, the shampoos at CVS are priced cheaper, but the conditioner at Walgreens is priced cheaper. So the conditioner Nexus at Walgreens is $19.99. The conditioner Nexus at CVS is $21.49. So whatever. So the Nexus is on sale. Spend 20, get 10,000 points. So what I did was combined this with that 5,000 points back when you spend 20 deal, or that booster, that Catalina that I had. I used two of the $5 off one Nexus coupons from the last Sunday's paper, 9/22 Retail Me Not. I paid $19.98. I got back the 10,000 points. So it wound up being $4.99 each. So not a bad deal for Nexus. It is expensive, but I'm trying to use a better shampoo and conditioner for my hair so it doesn't get so dried out. So that's why I wanted to give it a shot. I also wound up redoing the Revlon deal to see if that Catalina would print and to get another register reward. Neither of which happened, so he had to give me 5,000 points instead. Not sure why the register reward didn't print because it was separate transactions. You can repeat transactions as long as it's in two different transactions. So if I wanted to do this deal twice, I would have to do it in two different transactions because the register reward is only going to print one per deal per transaction, if that makes sense. So for the Revlon, that $10 Catalina did not print, and I was planning on using it. So what I did is I used two of these $4 off Revlon product coupons. So these are $8.49 each. So you're gonna buy three of them. It's still buy two, get one free, same deal, spend 15 on Color Stay, get a $5 register reward. So your total is $17. Then took off $8, so that was $4. $8 in coupons, because we're using two of these. With Walgreens, you cannot use a coupon on a free product. It won't let you. So be careful of that. But you can use a register reward on it. So keep that in mind. That was kind of tricky. So I wound up hitting beauty on this deal as well because shampoo counts towards beauty and then all the makeup counts towards beauty. So I hit beauty, so I got an additional 5,000 points back. I used that 5,000 point booster, so that was 5,000 points back. The Nexus deal was 10,000 points back, so it wound up being a really, really good deal. Okay, so, sorry if my eyes keep watering. I'm sick still, so they're getting all weird and crazy. But another weird thing that happened is when you're buying alcohol or cigarettes or something else, you're not supposed to be able to pay with points or register rewards. But I paid with points, and they let me. So I don't know. I didn't do this separately, like I had this chunked in with these other things. So I wound up using 10,000 points to pay down the total. So then final out of pocket was $6.06 on my first transaction. And the taxes were like $2.10. So in essence, I paid part of these with points. But you're not supposed to be able to do that. I don't know why it let me. I didn't try to do something crazy. I just wanted to use some points. The most I could use was 10,000, so I used it. So that's weird, might not work. But for the first transaction, final at a cost was just $1.06, which means the wine, the toothpaste, and 3 of the Revlon, all of that only cost me $1 because we got a $4 register reward from the Crest, we got a $5 register reward from the Revlon, then we got a $5 register reward from the wine, and then Ibotta, we got $1 back from the wine. So in total, it cost me $1.06, including tax, which is amazing. Amazing, amazing deal. My second transaction was like insane. I had 5,000 points for beauty because of all these that I did with both transactions combined, because shampoo and conditioner counts towards beauty as well. So I hit beauty, so I got 5,000 points back. The Nexus, I got 10,000 points. The booster, I got 5,000 points. And then somehow I got another 5,000 points. I don't know how, because I wound up with 25,000 points at the end. So I don't know how that happened. I couldn't tell you, but that's okay. I mean, hey, it's another free $5. I'm sure I got it somehow. I don't know how. But, so my final cost was like $30, and I got $25 in points back. The whole thing wound up costing me only $5 for these 2 and these 3. So in total, my expense is about $6 for everything you see here, which is still amazing. I'm still very happy with that. I just should have worked out the math differently. There's a couple deals I wanted to do that I didn't wind up doing. Some things weren't in store and weren't stocked because it is Tuesday. So if there is a super hot deal, I recommend shopping it Sunday or Monday, because usually by Tuesday, those super hot deals are wiped out. So just be careful of that. If you have any questions or anything, just drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.